Hey guys, in this video, I want to tell you about Elon Musk's new cryptocurrency project powered by Grok AI, his most advanced neural network. I've been testing this AI trading bot for some time now, and today I'll share the real results and my honest opinion about it. Before we continue, a quick but important disclaimer. This is not financial advice, and everything here is based solely on my personal experience. So what is this project? It's a crypto trading bot powered by Grok AI that automates trading, removes emotions, and reacts to the market much faster than a human can. The bot scans on 6 big platforms, finds promising opportunities, and copies the moves of large players with big capital. Depending on the plan that you select, it can deliver up to 170% profit in just a week. Now, let me show you how easy it is to start. I recommend to start with the core or prime plan if you are a beginner. You will find all details on the main page, and I'll leave the link in the description. First, log into your account or create a new one with your email or with your X or Google account. The main dashboard it's pretty clean and intuitive. On the left, you immediately see your total profit for the session and key statistics. Even complete beginners can figure it out quickly. Deposits and withdrawals are very fast, usually under a minute. Now let's make a deposit and see how it goes. I will top up in the USDT network and deposit $500. For the first deposit, you will also get 15% bonus, which can be used as trading balance, but you can't withdraw this bonus. Once you make a deposit, the bot starts automatically. Depending on the tier that you select, the trading sessions will run every 4 hours, every 1 hour in our case, or run 24/7 should you invest more. Each trading session will run for 20 minutes, and while it's running, you can watch live how it automatically follows and copies winning trades of major market players. The bot analyzes the market in real time, tracks large wallets, and opens similar positions with our funds. Some trades will be in loss, obviously, but each session tends to be on the positive side once it ends. The biggest advantage is full automation. You simply deposit, and the bot does everything itself, so there is no need to sit in front of the screen 24/7. After a few sessions, let's take a look at the bot's results. And as you can see, the balance has changed in a positive direction, which means the bot is working properly. Now, I'm going to withdraw my balance to show you how the payout process looks like. I'll select the same USDT network, then enter the wallet address where I want to receive the funds. You can choose from over 40 coins, and I'm sure there will be many more in the future. Now, choose the option Max, or enter the amount you want to withdraw. I notice there is a minimum of $50 to withdraw, just so you know. After double checking the address, I confirm the operation with a security code and wait for the transaction to be completed. While the transaction is being confirmed, a few final words to close this video. If you're still interested in this topic and want to see more strategies, tests, and real-time experiments with different crypto bots, my advice is to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for new uploads. Like this video if it was helpful for you. Share it with a friend who is also into crypto, and leave comments with your own results, questions, or suggestions. So all funds have been withdrawn and everything worked exactly as expected. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if the video was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.